how to retrieve deleted messages on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here you can view all your chats on TikTok. Now, open any chat from here. If you want to delete any chat from here, then hold that chat and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete, and then tap on Confirm. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Account. Then, tap on Download Your Data to get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. After that, go to Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then, select Messages. This includes direct messages you've sent and received. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then, tap on Select File Format. Then, select JSON. This format allows other services to import your file. Then, tap on Done. Now, tap on Request Data to request a copy of your data. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. Following these steps, you can easily retrieve deleted messages on TikTok.